famous story of the boy cried wolf, I think.
Hi!
Hi.
I'm a girl named Boy. What? My name is Boy, but I ain't a girl. So this is my story and about me and my sheep, my little lamb named Wolf. Yes, come here, Wolf. Let's go out to the countryside where you can eat lots of grass. Okay, here's the best grass in the whole place. You just eat grass and I will relax and play my Nintendo. Yes, it's a portable Nintendo. You don't have to plug it in. It has very long-lasting batteries. So I'm gonna play and you just enjoy the grass. Choo, 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 choo. Bing, 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 bing. I beat it! I beat the game. Okay, Wolf! Wolf! Where's my lamb? Yes?
He went over there.
Went that way? Uh-oh.
Yeah, my name is Lammy Pie. What's your name?
I'm a lamb named Wolf.
What? You're a lamb named Wolf?
You're a wolf named Lammy Pie.
That's what my mommy called me. Because I was her little Lammy Pie.
I'm named Wolf because I like Mozart.
That makes sense.
Anyway, my girl named Boy is loose for me and she can't find me.
Well then, I guess you'll have to come spend the night in my wolf den.
Your wolf den?
Yeah, because it's safe.
But you're a wolf.
Yeah, but my name is Lammy Pie. So I must be nice.
You think the wolf is nice?
No.
Yes.
It's very nice.
No.
Yes. What do you eat?
What do I eat?
Yeah, what do you eat?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
Yeah, you want some?
No, thank you. I'm vegan.
Well, I guess I'll have to eat grass then.
I've actually been eating grass all day and I'm full.
Okay, then I'll just eat my chicken nuggets myself.
Okay.
Come on in. This is my house. And here's my chicken nuggets. Oh no!
What?
I ate all my chicken nuggets already. Now I don't have anything for dinner.
You want some grass?
No! I'm a wolf!
I thought you were a lammy pie.
This is my name! I need some food.
Well, maybe you can get some tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe I can get some tomorrow.
Well, good night. I'm gonna go to sleep.
That lamb looks so peaceful sleeping there. That lamb looks so delicious sleeping there. But I can't do it. I can't eat my guest. I have to go out and find something to eat. I'm gonna go find something to eat. Delicious! Maybe I should eat her. She's not like that. You ran? I'm a wolf.
You're a wolf? You don't look like a wolf.
What do you mean?
Well, look, you have orange and yellow stripes on your tummy.
Yeah, so?
And you have like a weird white wig on.
That's my hair.
Yeah, but it looks weird. And look, you have strange feet.
Well, they're perfectly good feet. They're better to catch you and eat you with.
I don't think you're a wolf at all.
I am.
What's your name?
Lammy Pie.
Your name is Lammy Pie?
What's your name, boy? You're not a boy.
My name is Boy.
Well, my name is Lammy Pie.
Well, you can't eat me now.
Why?
Because we know each other's names, so we're practically friends.
Oh, you're right. I can't eat you now. What am I gonna eat? I'm so hungry.
Well, I have an extra cheese sandwich.
Cheese sandwich? Should I eat a cheese sandwich?
It's delicious cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese? No. Thank you for the cheese sandwich. I feel much better now.
Do you know where my lamb Wolf is?
Yes, Wolf is sleeping in my house.
Yay! Take me there and I'll take him home.
You can spend the night in my house.
That's okay. We don't want to be any trouble.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Yeah, well, right now you're not hungry, but who knows, in a few hours, that cheese sandwich might wear off.
Okay. Here, let's go.
Sabrina. Sabrina? You want to be called Sabrina? Yes. Maybe I'll change my name too. What name do you think I should have?
Girl.
Victoria.
Victoria.
Victoria, that's a nice name. I'll be Victoria and you can be Sabrina. Yay. Okay, let's go home. Thank you, Wolf. I mean, Lammy Pie. Thanks for taking care of my lamb.
You're welcome.
Yay! Is that the end?
Yes.
Yay! And so the moral of the story is always bring an extra cheese sandwich in your pocket.
Oink, oink. Oink, oink. We're the two little pigs. Yeah, there's two of us. Because we had a third brother, but he joined the Peace Corps. Peace Corps, yeah.
What's a Peace Corps?
It's when you go to other countries and you help the people there. Yeah, you're part of the Peace Corps. Instead of the War Corps. Yeah. Anyway, we didn't join the Peace Corps. Yeah, we stayed here, so we have to build houses. Yeah, to live in. Because our houses got swept away in a flood. It was bad. Yeah, so we're going to build houses. I'm going to build a house over here. I'm going to build a house over here. What should I make my house out of? I don't know. What should I make my house out of?
Straw.
Okay, how about straw?
No,
Bricks are heavy. Bricks are too heavy. I'm going to use straw. Besides, I like soda. So I'm going to go buy myself a bunch of sodas and use the straws to build a house. Makes sense. Okay, I'm going to build a house too. What should I build my house out of? Bricks are too heavy. I'm just a pig. I don't even have hands. How about marshmallows?
Yeah!
I'm going to use marshmallows.
Stop! Take a bite out.
Okay, I drank 5,000 sodas and now I have 5,000 straws. And that's going to build me a house about a foot tall, I think. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm going to crawl inside. I'm inside of my straw house.
That's not a house.
It is now.
Let's see this one.
You just have to use your imagination. Just like I did. I can't afford real straws. They have to be imaginary straws.
Then how did you drink the soda if you can't afford straws?
It was imaginary soda that I bought with imaginary money. Duh! We call this the poor theater.
Why did I buy 5,000
Anyway, I'm inside of my straw house, which you can see if you just use your inner eye. And now I'm going to go to sleep because I drank too much soda.
Sleep upside down.
and I'm gonna use them to build a house. I have to find some way to stick together the marshmallows.
Marshmallow peanut butter. Marshmallow fluff. Marshmallow fluff.
Peanut butter?
Mud.
That sounds...
Sticks.
What? Something sticky. What's something sticky?
Wow.
How about maple syrup?
Maple syrup.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some maple syrup. Okay, now I'm gonna build myself a house out of marshmallows stuck together with maple syrup. But I have to admit I'm gonna cheat because I also got some bamboo skewers. Ha 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 ha. Alright, so I'm gonna stick all the marshmallows together into a sort of an arbor of sorts. And put on a roof. There we go. Alright, here I am in my marshmallow house. It's got all doors and all windows on all four sides because that's all the marshmallows I have. But that's okay because I'm gonna eat it in the morning.
Jump out of the house.
I'm gonna go to sleep now.
You farted. You farted. Wake up. Wake up. Mommy, can you take the camera?
That's better. I've had a nice little nap, and now it's time to decorate my house.
Mommy,
I'm gonna decorate it with what? E? I don't understand. Eat what?
Peanut butter.
Eat some peanut butter?
Yeah.
Lots of peanut butter? Okay, throw me a jar. Throw me a jar of peanut butter. Here, I'll catch it. Just throw it right here. Go on. Oh, I got it. Oh, this looks like very good peanut butter. I can't wait to eat it.
Little pig!
Ah!
Little pig! Let me come in!
Uh-oh, what do I say?
No! Not
Not by the hair of my chin.
That old huff! That old puff! That old blow your house down!
No! Do it!
Oh,
The pig!
oh, 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 oh. Where'd the pig go? Oh, he's left with these straws! Come back, pig! Come back!
Help! There's a wolf after me! Help!
Come back! That was great! So, I'm done with my nap. And now, I'm ready to eat my house! Let's see, which marshmallow should I start with first? I think I'll start with this one.
Help! Help!
What?
There's a wolf after me! Can I hide in your house?
Okay.
Uh-oh!
What?
This house isn't very good at hiding us!
No, it's kind of got all windows and all doors on all sides.
What do we do?
We'll just have to make a last stand right here.
I'm gonna hide in the basement!
I don't have a basement. I have to do that. Anyway, I'll take care of this wolf. This wolf is going to be no match for me. Little pig! Little pig! me come in. Okay, come on in. Oh, thank you. Nice house you got here.
Thank you.
It's made out of marshmallows. I like marshmallows. Would you like a marshmallow?
Yeah.
Okay, here, have one. Yum, yum, yum. I'll have one too. Yum, yum, yum. I'll have another one. Yum, yum, yum. Me too. Yum, yum, yum. Me too. Well, I guess all the marshmallows are gone. Bye. That was close. I guess my house is gone, but I didn't get eaten by a wolf.
Is the wolf gone?
Yeah.
Then let's eat the marshmallows.
Too late. All gone.
Oh no, I didn't get any marshmallows.
I guess that's the end of the story.
Yay! So the moral is eat the marshmallows before you go into the basement. And that is the end of our puppet show. So thank you very much for coming for Fracture's Table. Woo!